How to buy Cook token. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it will be available on the MEXC website. So what you need to do for that is by going and open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. You will be able to create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So what you need to do is just go and open your MEXC account. Now go back to this post, as you can see, and copy the token address from here. Just we'll go back. Now copy the token sample. So as you can see here in search, what you need to do is by copy paste it. So we'll be able to see this pair. Now click on it. So wait a few seconds. And as you can see, you will be able to see in this page. So you are now be able to buy this token. So click on buy and click on limit. Here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy Cook. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. After that, click on buy Cook and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Cook token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.